drinking refreshments that give them energy for a long period of time. While today we drink sugary sodas, energy drinks and vitamin water. A long time ago there was a drink called Switchel. Switchel is an old beverage that can quench your thirst, but is also energizing and healthy. It has gained some popularity recently with hipsters and health enthusiasts, as people learn about its positive characteristics. Switchel is believed to have been created in the Caribbean. This was a refreshing drink that was enjoyed by everyone, regardless of what social class they were part of, how much money they had. Once you consider the history of Switchel, it is easy to see why it was so popular. Switchel of ingredients that help keep you cool and stay hydrated. It is easy to make Switchel, as it only contains 4 ingredients: water, vinegar, sweetener, and ginger. Benefits of drinking Switchel. 1. It restores electrolytes. Electrolytes are minerals that are present in your body. Fluids, like in your blood and in your urine. They have an electrical charge. Unbelievably, we need these in our body. These electrical systems transmit voltage throughout our body to contract our muscles and signal our nervous system. Switchel is made largely of apple cider vinegar, which has many positive health characteristics of its own. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent source of potassium. It also helps to balance your body's pH levels, keep your blood sugar levels normal, helps with digestion, protects your heart, and helps with weight loss. Maple syrup, also in Switchel, is good for you as well. It contains potassium, calcium, magnesium, and sodium. It alone can help your body keep the appropriate electrolyte balance that is needed by your body to function properly and remain hydrated. 2. It helps ease pain and inflammation. It is not hard to understand why farmers drank Switchel in the fields. The drink helps with pain and inflammation, because it relieves those uncomfortable symptoms. Farmers can work hard during that day, and the day that follows. Switchel is a great drink to consume after a workout. Because ginger is a main ingredient, the drink can help with inflammation and pain relief. An interesting fact about ginger also is that it helps with other ailments, such as acne, arthritis, eczema, depression, and the physical signs of aging. The active component in ginger is called gingerol. Gingerol is a pain reliever as well. Gingerol can lower cholesterol, improve blood circulation, reduce blood sugar levels, and ease the symptoms of indigestion. How to make traditional Switchel. It's easy to make your own Switchel at home with these all-natural ingredients. 1/2 cup of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of pure maple syrup, 6 ounces of fresh ginger root, 4 cups of water or club soda. Preparation. Grate ginger root or pass it through a juicer until you have about a cup. Combine ginger, apple cider vinegar, maple syrup and water in a large container. Stir until the maple syrup has completely dissolved. If you grated the ginger, the bits will sink to the bottom of the container, and this is perfectly fine. Pour over ice for immediate enjoyment or place the jug in the fridge and let it steep for 24 hours, stirring again before serving. Add a modern twist by including mint leaves and a tablespoon of fresh lemon or lime juice. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more tips, subscribe to the channel.